to show you how to play God Only Knows by the Beach Boys. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, right hand melody, because you may just want to play that melody. D, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, F sharp, B, A, G sharp, A, C sharp, F sharp, A, B, C sharp, E, D sharp, E, F sharp, A, B, C, E, D sharp, E, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, C sharp, B, C sharp, B, E, B, A, G sharp, E, F sharp. And then the second verse is the same as that. Then there's an interlude in there. There's a bridge that I'll get to when we get to it, but that gets you the melody. Now the opening, the intro, is just an E, an A chord. All you're going to play on the bass. Let's start with the bass. You're just going to have an E and A. Then we're going to go to an E chord, which is an E, G sharp, B. 4 beats on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then E. Then we're going to go to an A chord, E, A, C sharp. And back to the E chord, E, G sharp, B. And then we just do it again. Now on the right hand, you're going to have C sharp, D, E. And then you're going to just hit this F sharp, G sharp, B on your way up to give that little slide glissando sound. Then the E chord comes in and then we do it again. So you play it 2 times. Here it is all together, both hands. I'll go slowly so you can see it. End it with, and in the right hand you're going to have C sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E, and in the left hand you have E, E, F sharp, G, and that brings you right into the bass. And all we're going to do is play a single note bass, A, 4 of those, and B, 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 4 of those, and F sharp, 4, A, B, C, B, B flat, A, G sharp, F sharp. So the bass is just going to walk, and it's going to walk 4 beats at a time, and then you fit the right hand melody into it. Play that little E, E, F sharp, G as an interlude into the second verse. Once you get to this little instrumental bridge and they get the oohs and the ahs going, they got vocalizations through it, but you've got E, E, F sharp, E, G, so it's just bum, 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 bum. Then you're going to go C, D, F, G, A. You're going to skip E, C, D, F, G, A, and then you do it again. And then we're going to go to a B, B, D, G, a G chord with B in the bass. Now, the right hand, you're going to have A and C sharp, and then up an octave. And then you play E and A, then back up to the A and C sharp, G and B, and then straight down. So it'll be like this. Then straight down by thirds, F and A, E and G, D and F, C and E. The last one would be A and E, A and D. Now you don't have to play that A and D there. If it gets you in trouble, you can just play the D by itself. In fact, you can play, if you don't want to play those thirds, you can play. You can just play single notes and go right down. Makes it easier. So, but if you put them together, you're going to go. Now, the tendency is going to be to play that E, and you gotta skip that with your. So when you put that together, let's go slowly, and then we do it again. And then we're going to go. Now you may have to have just a split second to catch yourself there with going into that next part, because you're going to have this B chord, this G chord with the B and the bass there. Now at a regular tempo, it'll sound like this. And then you're going to. Now the right hand is easy here. You got E, D, D, E, A, F sharp, then B, C sharp, D, E, D, B, D, then E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. Now they're singing over themselves with several things there. So what I had to do is take and decide what I was going to play with the right hand to get their vocalizations. They've got an ooh and an ah, and then do 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 do. So they've got different things going on there. But D, D, E, A, F sharp, ah, da, da, dee, da, dee, then E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, E, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, B, A, G sharp, E, A, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, A and C sharp, F sharp and A, and then, so just that F sharp, E, F sharp, E, A, E, D, C sharp, A, B, and then we do a reprised verse there. So now in the left hand, you're going to have B, a G chord 4 times, and then you're going to have this C sharp, G, B. What you've got is you've got an E chord with a C sharp added, but we're putting the C sharp in the bass. So you got C sharp, G, B, just so, and make them short, make them staccato. Then just the D and the F sharp. It's actually a D chord, but you're going to come down to this B, so I'd get that A out of the way and just let the D and the F sharp carry it. And then we're going to go to an E7. You're going to have the D in the melody there, so you've got the E, G, sharp, B, and the D. So you're going out of, and we're going right into an E melody. Then we're going to go to an A chord there with E in the bass. E, A, C sharp. Now this is a weird chord here. You're going to have D, F, G sharp, B. So you got a diminished 7th in there. So you go from this A to a diminished 7th on a diminished chord, 1, 3, 5, 7 on D. All minor thirds. And then we're going to an F sharp minor chord, F sharp, A, C sharp. And all we got to do, add that to a, we're going to make that like a D sharp minor with this major third on top. So a D sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp. So we come out of this F sharp chord, we add the D sharp. And you're going to keep that. And then go right out of it into a D chord. Let's go through that whole thing slowly so you can see it. And then we go to tricky. Get to that C sharp B E. So you're coming in. You can hold that through the kind of into that D chord. And what we're going to have there is we're going to have a D chord, then an A chord with C sharp in the bass, and then a B minor chord. And then we go into the reprise of the second verse, and it's exactly what we played before. This time we're going right into the tag, and we do that by going to an E chord there. E, B, E, G sharp. Hit that 4 times. You can hit another 4 if you want to. So coming out of that second, that reprise, you going into the tag, you just have that. We go to an E chord there. E and G sharp, and E and B in the left hand, E and G sharp in the right hand, and you play it 4 times. Now if you want to, you can play it 8 times. But I just play it 4 times. Go right to the A chord, A and C sharp. And what they do is they just play this and sing it over and over again and weave in and out harmonies, and then they fade it out. I'm going to play it 4 times, that tag, and I'll get back into it. So. And all you're doing in the left hand is A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. So you F sharp. And in the right hand, the way you get back into it is B, C sharp, D, C sharp. Then I take it up an octave. Up an octave. Do it again. Do it again. And if you want to, you can play this one softer. And then just end with an E chord. E and G sharp in the right hand, E and B in the left hand, hold it. So instead of